I had a wonderful childhood growing up in small town Pennsylvania. After graduating college, I worked in the golf industry. Soon, I was recruited to be the executive director of the Women's South Carolina Golf Association, which brought me to Charleston, where I fell in love with all this great city has to offer. Pristine beaches, the history, and the championship caliber golf. Now, I spend my days helping others live their dream lifestyle here in this beautiful state. I'm Jennifer O'Brien, and this is Living the Charleston Coast Lifestyle. The home inspection is a vital part of the buying process. The purpose of the inspection is to provide buyers with a written report that details the property's condition, including recommended repairs, maintenance concerns, and any other potentially costly issues. The home inspector will assess the physical structure of the home, from the foundation to the roof, as well as the home's systems, which are electrical, HVAC, plumbing, etc. Your real estate agent will have a list of licensed inspectors that he or she works with regularly and trusts. You are free to choose whomever you wish to perform your inspection. I provide my clients with the list of my top 3 inspectors in order of preference. When the inspector is finished, he or she will go over everything with you and point out items or show you pictures. Within 24 hours, you will receive a detailed report of the inspection. No home is perfect. The inspection will find items that need attention or repair. Speak with your agent about the items you're most concerned about, and together, you will develop a plan to present your request to the sellers. Got questions about buying or selling a home on the Charleston coast? Call or text me, Jennifer O'Brien, at 610-283-0867 for a free copy of my exclusive Charleston Locals Guide with my hand-picked recommendations of the very best restaurants, tours, and fun activities throughout the Charleston area. Visit my website at jenniferobrienhomes.com. This is Jennifer O'Brien. Until next time on Living the Charleston Coast Lifestyle.